Welcome to Hospitality School.
Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of www.hospitalityschool.com. In our today's episode, you will learn everything you need to know about
Types of complainer guests in hotel and restaurant. What you will find in this video: a brief look into the guest complaint, detailed description of the types of complainer guests, how to deal with them. Handling guest complaint in hotel and restaurant has been a prime concern for most hoteliers. In a hotel or restaurant, every day different types of guests come and go. It is you, as a server or hotelier, have to handle all types of guests. According to the expressions of the complainer guests, we can classify them into 3 categories. Let's learn some different types of complainers to handle them properly. Intellectual type, offensive type, distressed type. Please pause the video and click on this subscribe button. Intellectual type complainer guest. Such guests are generally older in age. They complain in depressed mood with calm tone, and beat you with their logical arguments. These guests are quite easy to handle, but sometimes you may find quite irritating too. How to deal with them: listen their logic properly. Know the facts. Don't rush to agree to apology first. Be logical. Don't promise anything you are not sure. They will remember every single detail. Don't afraid on their cool calm voice and influencing personality. Offensive type complainer guest. Such guests are mostly found in restaurants than in hotels. Offensive guests express their emotions loudly, with wicked language, behave rudely, and try to gather public attraction. Be prepared to take hard actions to handle such guests. How to deal with them: don't react aggressively. Be friendly, and try to handle with calm approach. Isolate the guest. Offer him to talk in a corner. Suggest them to sit down. Keep eye contact. Don't interrupt. Let them show their emotions first. Try to find the right moment to respond. Take notes of their complaint. If you can't handle, then refer to the superior one. If nothing makes the complainer calm, and if he continues misbehaving, then don't hesitate to call the security. Distressed type complainer guest. Often you may find some guests who look not feeling comfortable. Sometime they show anger, sometime remain silent, sometime harshly question. Their total presence, body movement, gesture, posture, language will make you feel they are not happy with the atmosphere. How to deal with them: before they complain at you, approach to them and ask them, "Is everything all right, sir?" Try to find out why they are distressed. If they are not satisfied with your service and facilities, then follow previously discussed tips to make them satisfied. Whoever your guests are, try to meet your standard. As an hotelier, all the time be prepared to serve any kind of guests. Never forget the old saying, "Guest is always right." Visit our website, hospitalityschool.com, to download training manuals, PowerPoints, videos, and read 200+ hotel and restaurant management training tutorials. Attention, listen very carefully. To read this tutorial from website, click here. To watch food and beverage service training videos, click here. Again, to watch housekeeping training videos, click here. And last but not least, to watch front office training videos, click here.